Right now I'm going to show you an amazing feature inside of Photoshop that does terraforming or changes the season or maps one environment onto another. It's pretty amazing, check it out. So here we have a nice desert scene. Let's change this. So fasten your seatbelt. We're going to go under the filter, and under filter we're going under our neural filters. So the one we're going to use here is a landscape mixer. So let's turn this on. And this literally enables me to take this landscape and mix it with something else. So we grab something grassy here. Let's click on this and watch what happens. It literally terraforms this into something else. Why don't we try a wintry scene? Check this out. And by the way, this is part of my series on the new features in Photoshop 2022. So check them out on YouTube and also on PhotoshopCAFE.com. And look at this. Now, if it's not wintry enough, we can go down and we can adjust the season. So let's put a little bit more winter into this. Let's just crank it up. And look at that, pretty amazing, right? And by the way, if you're liking this, do me a favor, hit that like button. All right, so let me show you how we can use our own images. Let's take the winter all the way down and we're gonna go under custom. So under custom, we're gonna select an image. Let's click on the little folder and let's grab this. This is a panorama that I shot in Hawaii. And we're gonna grab this and then we're gonna choose to use this image. And look at that. Pretty amazing, right? Let's take it a little bit further. Why don't we add a little bit of sunset into this? So we're just going to increase this. And you can see we're getting a nice sunset on here. The sky doesn't quite look right yet, but check this out. Let's just click OK. We're going to apply it. It's going to come in a new layer. And of course, if we want to fix that, all we need to do is just choose our Edit, Replace Sky. Grab one with a sunset on it. Click OK. And we're done. So I'm curious, what do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments underneath. I think this has a lot of potential for things like map painting, for creating surrealistic scenes, for compositing different things like that. What do you guys think? Let me know. And by the way, if you're new here, welcome to Photoshop Cafe. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and you won't miss any of my weekly tutorials. And this is part of my series of new features inside of Photoshop 2022, so check out all the other ones here on YouTube and also PhotoshopCAFE.com. And by the way, guys, hit that like button. It helps us with the algorithm on YouTube. And until next time, I'll see you at the cafe.